Hey guys, just wanted to give you a quick update on the Evo. So I haven't really had to do much to it lately. Just gave it a quick bath here at a local car wash, but what I ended up doing is I had a buddy come over. This hood was painted and clear coated, so if you remember from the first introduction video, the clear coat on this was wearing off. It was really bad. So I had a buddy come over and he completely sanded down the entire hood, got all the old clear coat off, got all the old paint off, and so now you can actually see the carbon fiber hood. It's still pretty bad in a couple of spots. I mean, the water's hiding a lot of it, but it actually turned out pretty good. So we'll probably need to, maybe do a couple more light sandings on it with, maybe some 1500 or 2000 grit to try to get the rest of these spider cracks out, if it's even possible to get them out, but I might not even be able to get them out. So if not, I'll just wrap it in carbon fiber, but it looks pretty good the way it is right here. So one other thing I had to do is I had to replace the wideband O2 sensor. So I think when I had the exhaust off of it, I damaged it, and that wideband was actually right there. You can see it. So I had to replace that. That was like $40. So, but that's it, man. It's other than that, it's looking pretty good. So I just wanted to give you guys an update. I know I haven't really posted any videos lately, but it is what it is. So I'm just enjoying driving it, and just having fun with it, enjoying driving it. It's turned into my daily, so it runs good, no complaints. All right, guys.